Hello everybody. Hello, welcome to my channel. Um, Usually I do Monday morning coffee. Well, this morning I didn't get up till it was almost afternoon. A lot of things have been going on, and so that's why I kind of called it my channel update right now. It just seems like life keeps throwing people, me especially, curveballs and stuff, and I'm dealing with it the best that I can. But, being sequestered in the house 6 weeks from surgery, and then all this time, 2 months from the quarantine from COVID, and now I'm still stuck in the house for a couple more weeks because this past week, actually it started on my Thursday night live video. I started hurting really bad on my left side, and one of the reasons I got off so quickly is because I was in pain. And, it was itching and stuff, and I couldn't figure out what was going on. So when I got offline, I went to take a shower, and I noticed that my side was all broke out. And it was just like right underneath my bra line and down my side, and like kind of headed toward my back. And I took a shower, got out. It was really bright red then. Was talking to my friend Nora. Hi, Nora. And she said, Donna, that looks like shingles. And I'm like, oh, well, never had shingles before, and I don't know how I could have caught shingles. Well, it turns out you don't catch shingles. If you've ever had, you can, but if you've ever had chicken pox, then that virus lives in your body. And stress and stuff like that can bring it out. So that was Thursday, and bless Nora's heart, she stayed on the phone with me all night because I was in so much pain. And then I have to thank my friend Michelle Ricard. It's not Reichard, it's Ricard, and we discovered that on a conversation the other night when she was up with me also. It's Ricard, like Captain Picard. But anyway, I want to thank her too for, these ladies are awesome. Kept me company while I was in so much pain, and I truly have been in so much pain. But nothing hurt worse than after visiting them with the doctor and confirming that it definitely was shingles. Then the $200 bill I got that was going to be for prescriptions. I'm like, oh my gosh. So I had to take the antiviral medicine. There was no question. I have lupus. You guys know that I have an immune system problem, and it was a no-brainer. I had to take the antiviral pill, which, y'all, they're this big. They're like horse pills. I think it's called Voltrex or something like Valtrex or something like that. Anyway, and then there were some other medicines that he gave me for the nerves and stuff, the Lyrica. I don't really like that stuff too much, but I went ahead and got it filled because just in case it got too bad. But for those of you who know me, you know that I have problems with anxiety and panic attacks. And it's gotten better since I started crafting and doing YouTube and interacting with others. But lately it's kind of creeped it back around. And the Lyrica really doesn't help with that too much. So I'm trying very hard to tolerate the pain. And y'all, when I say shingles are painful, let me just say, I'd rather have a baby and I'd rather have back surgery all over again. But I'm trying to tolerate the pain so that I don't have to take the Lyrica as much because, I just don't want to push that envelope for me as far as anxiety and depression and all that stuff goes. So, I'm stuck in the house again. And I'm thinking about it, I have been sequestered almost, 4 months or so. Really, no, 5 months since February because of surgery and stuff, and 4 months. Anyway, I can't count. But it's been a struggle. The struggle is real. So, but in telling you all that, I just wanted to let you know about some videos. I was supposed to have a video up this past week, Friday or Saturday, for a tag that I received from Jackie, who is Lady J Crafty 2016. And it was for a challenge to create something that is blue with glitter and Mod Podge. suffice to say, I did not get that up, and I apologize for that. But I may be late, but I am still going to do it. Hopefully it'll be up this evening. It's just been hard sitting up and stuff, and I'm not going to show you my body because, you know, we don't want to see that. I don't want to see it. But it does itch, and it does hurt when, you know, to sit up for long periods of time sometimes. And the medicine makes me very drowsy too. It makes me kind of loopy, so just excuse anything that I might say that might not sound right. But I'm going to go ahead and share it. I got some it's Happy Meals, but it's winnings from Learn to Live Dana. And she was in a hop, and this was one of the weeks that prizes that she gave away. And she sent me this really pretty stationery card, which will probably wind up in a journal somewhere. And she just says, "Thanks so much for following along. Hope you enjoy your mermaid wall vase. Have a great, blessed day. Love to learn, Dana." So this is what I won. Isn't this beautiful? Oh my gosh. So it's a vase, and I got some blue flowers, blue and white flowers I'm going to stick in here. And eventually I have a wall over here beside this bookcase that you see in the video. And it's because it's going to become my nautical wall, per se. Like, I'm doing a project with some pictures and different things like that. And so this will probably be hanging on it. But this is just beautiful, Dana. Thank you so much again. And I just think it's really cool. Like I said, it's a vase. And it just hangs. And it's just so pretty. Very pretty. So, I got that from her. I am working on finishing up my little book. I've got to cut out some more things. The little thing that I started last Thursday night. And I haven't completely done the front yet because I've been working on something. Michelle Ricard and I were talking, and we are going to, I'm going to try to make this a shaker, but I'm not quite sure how because I want to make it a dimensional shaker. But we'll see how that works out. And if you've not seen Thursday Night Live, you might want to go check it out. Just saying. Anyway, because I'll have an announcement on Thursday night. I am going to try to do Thursday Night Live this week. So I'm either going to be doing an altered box, or I'm going to be doing an embellishment box, an altered box, or you have your choice of seeing I'll tell you in a minute, an embellishment book. So out of those three things, let me know down in the comment section which one you would like to see. An altered box, an embellishment box, or an embellishment book. Like an ephemera book. Not an ephemera book, but an embellishment binder, you know, to mail out to somebody. So let me know about those things. As far as other videos this week, like I said, I'm going to try to get that one video out today. If not, it will be out tomorrow. And then I will have Thursday Night Live this week. Because I'm not going to be able to sit up and do a whole bunch of videos. But I am going to try to do Keto Living on Friday. So please stick around, hang around, and make sure you come back to see the videos that I will put up. If you're not subscribed, or even if you are subscribed, if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. But both, make sure you tap the bell, and you want to click on all if you wish to be notified with all the videos that I upload. Or personalized, they'll just send you whatever or none, and you won't get notified on any of my videos. So I hope y'all hit that bell and get notified each time I upload a new video. One other thing I want to say, I was sent a messenger thing by Nora this morning. It was a YouTube video, and we all get them. You know, we get these people that click on our things. You know they didn't watch the video. They'll click on it and say, want to be friends or something like that. Well, guys, be careful doing that because that's another way people are stealing people's accounts. Now, I'll tell you, after I watched that video, I went through and I deleted every one of mine that, you know, if it wasn't a crafty channel, somebody that I personally knew or knew from YouTube, I deleted it. And I've decided I'm cleaning up my friends list, my subscriber list anyway, because I don't have time to watch all the people's videos that I am subscribed to. I just don't. And a lot of the ones I had been subscribed to for a while, they're completely inactive on YouTube. They don't even do videos anymore, so they came off my list. And then, of course, these people that I don't know that just say want to be friends, they came off my list too. And I may go further and delete some more, only because I don't get notifications a lot if, there's so many people on my friends list. They don't send me every notification everybody does. So I'm trimming the fat, y'all. I'm trimming off people who, A, haven't done videos, B, don't ever watch any of my videos, and C, if you don't belong there and you're not in the crafty world and it's not something that I'm interested in, I'm wiping it out. So, most of you made the cut, okay? But be careful about that. Check your videos, and we all want to grow our channels. We all want to get more subscribers and stuff. But even from what I found, it doesn't help to have 10,000 subscribers and only 50 people watch your videos. That doesn't really help. You want people that are active in your channel, that watch your videos and stuff. Now, I know I'm behind on watching videos. I have been trying to catch up since I've been in the bed a lot. But like I said, the medicine makes me kind of drowsy. So I'll start watching the video and I might fall asleep in the middle of it. But some of you, I have watched all your videos. I have not commented. I apologize for that. Deb Houck, you're one of them. It's all I can do just to get to watch them sometimes. So, but I am watching videos. I have not always commented, but then I thought about that too. I'm going to try to do better. I know I've said this before, but I am going to try to get better. Just leaving a smiley face or whatever. Because when you interact with a channel, that's when you get, they do notify you about things, and people are watching your videos that are people. You know what I'm saying? So the people that you know. So if we don't interact with our channels, then we don't really know who's watching our videos. We just know we have a view. So I am going to try to get better about that. Even if I just put a smiley face on your videos. Please know that I would love to write more. I'm just, yeah. It is just what it is right now. So, I think that's it. I'll either have a video out this evening or tomorrow. And, I will be doing Thursday Night Live this week. I do have another video out on Tuesday. I completely forgot about that. So, I have another video out of something that I created from, it was, I'm part of May Challenge from Scrapbooking with Me, and so I already did that, and I did that early last week, and I recorded the video, and I forgot I uploaded to come out tomorrow, so there will be another video out tomorrow, so hopefully I'll try to get that other one out this evening, or either I'll move the one for Tuesday to Wednesday, and I'll have the other one up. Anyway, I'll have two videos out this week, and then Thursday Night Live, and then on Friday I'm gonna do my best to have a keto living video out. But to be honest with you, I'm not very hungry, and I've been doing a lot of fasting because if you're not hungry, I don't eat. I mean, and the horse pills kind of make me queasy too. So, what the heck is queasy? Anyway, they make me queasy, and so I haven't been eating a whole lot either. So, yeah. So, if you pray for me. If you just have good thoughts, whatever, I would really appreciate it. I really appreciate you coming back and checking out my videos this week. And just know that I am watching y'all's videos, and I'll try to do better about leaving comments. And I just want to thank you for your friendship. Thank you, Dana, for sending me the Little Mermaid vase. I love it, and it will be proudly hanging on my wall soon. And, yeah, so that's it, guys. I appreciate you, and I love each and every one of you. Thank you for coming by. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.